Hi all. Today I'm going to share my GumPaste recipe. This recipe is fantastic for Asian weather. I have no idea how about for the European weather how it works, but for the Asian weather this works fantastic. And for beginners, this is one of the best foolproof GumPaste, which I would say. So let me go around what are the things which is needed for it, or the ingredients I'm going to say. 500 grams sugar I have here. See, this sugar I have sieved twice. Okay, even you can sieve it thrice, so even a very little granules, whatever you have, it gets cleared off. You get a fine powder in it. Okay. Next I have here is CMC. I have taken 15 grams of CMC. Okay. So either you can take a Tylose or CMC, it's all the same. Nothing big difference at all. It's all the same. Then I have taken here water. I've just boiled cool water is 65 grams of water. I've given you everything in grams because there is no need of confusion of cups and all those things. So I've just given the measurement in grams itself. And gelatin, I have here 8 grams of gelatin. Okay, this gelatin is a non-vegetarian gelatin, but I will tell you how to make with vegetarian gelatin also. Later that I will tell you. Now we will do with this. Okay, this is 8 grams of gelatin powder I have. And 10 grams of liquid glucose. I have a liquid glucose. I'm going to take 10 grams out of it. Okay. And shortening. I'm going to use shortening. 50 grams of shortening I'm going to use. Then irrespective of that, I have a clear flavor, a clear essence of flavor. For my GumPaste, I always like to add flavorings to it. So it smells good, and even if kids want to eat or something, it tastes also good. Okay. So let's start how we are going to make it. I have kept 65 grams of water in this. So now let me add other ingredients also. I'm going to tear it. Okay, it's come. Now I'm going to use the gelatin powder, 8 grams which I told you. Just sprinkle it on top. There's no need, it needs to have a hot water or something. Just the normal cold water is fine. It's more than enough. Just sprinkle and spread it nicely so it blooms well. Next, what I'm going to add is liquid glucose, as I told you. I'm going to measure the liquid glucose. I need 10 grams of it. Okay, it has gone 12, so 1 or 2 grams, it's okay still. Then what I'm going to do is add shortening to this. The shortening, as I told you, it is like 50 grams I need. Okay, a lot of people ask me, can we use dalda or can we use other alternatives for shortening? No, you should use only shortening because shortening is 100% fat. So that's what saves the flour to be more strong and more soft also. So never use anything, because if you have high humidity level and if you're going to use any other thing other than shortening, the flours will start melting. So always make sure you get the best shortening and use the shortening. So shortening, I'm going to make 50 grams of shortening I'm going to use. Okay. $31. Never compromise, as I told you. Yeah, 50, perfectly 50 it is. Yeah, never compromise in shortening because that's what we need. So what I'm going to do this is microwave this and bring it to all of them should be it's a crystal clear water. There should be no granules, or there should be no shortening should be visible like this. It should get melted fully. Okay, so I'm going to heat it until it gets fully melted. Okay. Yeah, now you could see I melted the shortening, liquid glucose, everything. Now see, it's fully melted, it's fully liquid. Okay, so now let's keep this separate. I want to show you something else which I've done also. Now the bowl, I have greased up little bit, shortening the whole bowl, so the flour doesn't stick inside, you get a beautiful nice ball. Okay, so now I'm going to add the sugar. The sugar is added fully. Added the sugar. Now I have the CMC powder. Add your CMC powder. This is 15 grams of CMC. Just mix up in this itself. You can add it while sieving also. No harm in it. I'm just mixing up like this. Okay. Now I'm going to add some clear essence to it. As I told you, this is for the flavoring and the smell. I've added a mango flavor. Now I'm going to pour the whole set of liquid in that. I'm going to use a dough hook for this. I'm going to use a dough hook. Use a dough hook. And start with a slow. Start with a slow speed first. Even just clear off the sides. And slowly increase. The total preparation time will be not more than 3-4 minutes. See the ball, it's forming. Please check, you could see. Yeah, see there how beautifully the ball has formed. So clear off whatever side you have. Once again, so let those get cleared. It's already been done. See, when you touch it, it should not stick in your hands. See, when I'm touching it, it's not sticking in my hands. Now the dough is being done. So I'm going to tell you how I'm going to do the storage for this.